I think that sitting and having us do this actual work while we're here is fantastic. And I also think that being able to share it and talk about it, because you can hear other people's opinions, but you can also hear feedback on what you're saying. So I think that those are really, really big things that don't always happen in workshops. So I really loved that. And it just gets you the whole premise of everything that you're going through in the workshop that you went through in the previous workshop really gets you thinking, really gets you to attuned to those lies that you do tell yourself, who you really are, and gets you more to the heart of the matter instead of such surface level where everybody's like, the question everybody asks, "Hi, how are you today? How was your day? What's going on?" And we are, at least in our society in the US, very conditioned to say, "Good, everything's good, we're great, yep, everything's okay," and never go any deeper than that.